Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I am going to discuss about how to clear your demo in first attempt on Vedantu. Watch the video till the end. So let's get started. I am Divya and I also cleared my demo on Vedantu in first attempt, so I would be happy to give you a brief overview of the process here. See, recruitment at Vedantu is a multi-step process. You would first go through an online technical exam. This would test your technical skills for the board and grade that you are interested in teaching. This screening process selects a handful of candidates from the thousands of applications that they receive here every month. Selected candidates then go through an online demo. It is not a telephonic interview, it is actually a whiteboard demo. During demo, you would play a role of teacher and demo taker would play a role of student. And you would teach a topic of your choice for 15 to 20 minutes. This phase is critical. They are looking for your teaching skills. This includes your communication skills, your presentation skills, your knowledge, as well as your ability to keep the students involved during classes. You have to make class entertaining and educate. Vedantu stands for breaking traditional teaching and move on to multimedia based teaching methods. So, your teaching should not be old school, and in short, students should not sleep during your class, right? After 15 to 20 minutes of your demo, you would go through a question and answer round. And in this section, demo taker would test your knowledge. Question will be based on the grade and board that you desire to teach. You would be presented with a few questions that you have to answer. They are not looking for answers, they are actually testing your concepts, right? So giving a right answer without being able to explain the underlying concept won't work, sorry. However, giving a wrong answer giving a wrong answer but being able to explain the concept would definitely work here. The understand that you can't recall all formula and you would prepare before taking an actual class, so you are not expected to recall all formula and do right calculation. You are only expected to explain the methodology to solve given solution. All right, so these are the some tips and tricks to clear demo in first attempt. Hope this video will help you. If yes, then please do like, share and subscribe my video, and don't forget to press the bell icon for more latest updates. See you soon in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.